guess what? We have another project surrounding unicorns. These are Dreamcatcher unicorn, mystical Dreamcatcher unicorns. And they're super easy to make. We're gonna use the basic techniques that I showed you earlier, creating a horn, ears, and a little flower crown for the perfect unicorn dream catcher. So you can choose to make your own dream catcher, or you can make it, or you could purchase it pre-made. We have these available at our store right now. And some of them, it's more obvious which is the front and back. This one doesn't really have, I don't think, a front or back, so it won't matter what you, which side you choose. So you will also need pink and white felt, and I have glitter paper, glitter white paper, and an assortment of tiny little roses, and a hot glue gun. So just like I did before, I made 2 different size triangles for the felt. I'm going to use my hot glue gun to make it really fast to attach the pink to the white, just like that. And then on this one, we're gonna tuck his ear like that. So we'll do a little bit of glue in the center, and then when it opens up like this, it creates a little line where we'll attach here. Okay, so I'm just gonna pinch that a little bit. Okay, dry. Next, same thing with this ear, a little bit in the center, pinch it together. All right, let's go ahead and glue his horn on. And I'm just gonna simply attach it straight on to that bead. It's already in the center, and I can just put it right there. As I mentioned before, when I make the horns, I make it at least half the size of the face. This one, I'm making the entire size of the face. Just looks more proportionate. So, a little hot glue, and there's our horn. Let that dry. I'm gonna take this ear, put a little strip of glue here, and attach it to the top of the dream catcher. If I have a flower too, it helps if I just press those 2 together. Put that on at the same time. Give it a little bit more glue from the back to make sure that's set in there. And then I'm going to do the same thing over on this side. Put a little stretch. Put it here. And then press a flower against it. Just like that. Then we'll go in and embellish it with some more tiny little flowers. It's just cute stuff. Use everything from the little flower bush. There's enough glue on there. Do a little pink flower in the center. I'm gonna look at it my way so I can make sure it's looking good. I think I'll put a little more here. Oh, that's cute. All right, and there we have it, a cute little dream catcher unicorn theme.